I bet you're tired of your 9-to-5 job and looking for a rather easy method to make money with no hard skills required. Luckily, artificial intelligence has stepped into our lives. Hi, and welcome to W&H, where we provide you with useful and insightful strategies to improve yourself and level up in life. This is a really important moment in history. AI is starting to influence our lives, and we will get to assist in exponential growth of its revolutionary ability to change and hopefully better our existence. It's still a very controversial topic, but as we can see in hindsight for other as radical and important inventions, those who adapt are those who turn up much better afterwards. For instance, take a look at some of the best inventions which were definitely thought to just be going to rob people of their jobs: the printing press, the steam engine, the internet, email, and many more. Nothing in life is to be feared. It is only to be understood. Now is the time to understand more, so that we may fear less. I shall give a basic introduction to all the essential AI tools that I'm going to mention in the video. ChatGPT. Surely you've heard of the newborn text-to-text AI tool developed by OpenAI. It is a very simple tool to use. To access it, you just have to go to chat.openai.com and log in. You will then be able to use the chat to insert a brief description of the service you require. Midjourney. Arguably the best text-to-image AI tool you can access easily and freely on the internet. For this you must install Discord, a totally free communication platform. Check the video description for links and tutorials. Next, go to midjourney.com and click Join the Beta. That will send you an invite to join the Discord group on which their service is available. Here you shall head to one of the newbies' channels. Type Imagine, followed by your desired prompt, and let your imagination take control. DALL-E 2. This is the OpenAI text-to-image AI tool. It's slightly worse than Midjourney, but it's getting better. To get it, go on a browser and type openai.com, DALL-E 2. Sign up and you will get right into business. Runway. Runway is an AI image editor and creator. It is not as famous as the previous ones, but it has some amazing tools that are definitely worth trying. Type runwayml.com into your browser, sign up, and even with the free plan, you will access most of the features. Murph. This is a text-to-speech AI tool. It provides you with several human-like voices who can read any piece of text you'd like. To access it, go to murph.ai, sign up and try out their service. With the free plan you can access basic features and get a taste of what they offer. Descript. This is an AI software that provides a text-to-speech service and even a way to clone your voice and use it to voice a script. Type descript.com into your browser, and after clicking Get Started for free, you shall have access to their service, although the paid plan offers a much better experience. I hope that's helped you. Over with the introduction. Let's dive right into the video. These are the 7 best ways to make money using AI. 1. AI art. Nowadays, to be an artist, you can choose among various paths. Instead of having to draw or paint yourself, you can ask AI to do it for you. It doesn't involve as much creativity, but you can get totally original artworks in this way, too. To get started, you need Midjourney. Once you're well equipped, you can start testing by inputting some prompts until you get your desired result. I suggest, once you get something of your liking, using the variation and upscale features that Midjourney includes. Another option is to combine AI tools in order to get an even more interesting result. Just go and ask ChatGPT to give you an optimized prompt specifically for AI text-to-image generation. Once you've got your pictures, here's how to profit off of them. List them as digital art on Etsy or eBay. It's fairly easy to create an Etsy or eBay account and start selling. There are loads of people who purchase digital art, and you can earn a good amount of money if you sell beautiful enough artworks. Print on demand. This is a very simple business model. You just need to have a good piece of art and use a service like Printful.com or Printify.com to sell physical products designed by you. There's not really any risk involved, as they produce your creation only once you get an order, so you don't have to worry. Of course, they get a small commission, but this is nonetheless a good way to create a good passive income. 2. Books. With ChatGPT, you can easily create reading material you can either sell as an ebook or, with a print-on-demand service, even as physical books on Amazon or other e-commerce platforms. I suggest simple products, for example children's books. If you already have an idea for your story, that's good. If not, well then ChatGPT comes in handy. Just ask the AI for ideas, and all you have to do is choose the best one. Once you have a general idea, get a title. ChatGPT will help you with creating the entire story, from the chapters' names to the actual writing of the character's story. Once you have your product ready, you definitely need illustrations. Midjourney is here for that. Just go ahead and input several prompts until you get what you want. I suggest including lots of images, as children are often actually more focused on images than on text. To get thorough information on book writing, go to blurb.com. Check the video description for links. 3. Copywriting. This is a highly demanded service. It includes writing effective communication text, such as professional emails, but also adverts for companies or scripts for content creation. For instance, each YouTube video is scripted, and many times the creators prefer to pay other people to do this work. You can get into this business by listing a gig on freelancing platforms such as Upwork, LinkedIn, or, in my opinion the best, Fiverr.com, and get hired by other people to provide this service, such as many others. This is where AI kicks in. You can use ChatGPT to complete the job you were paid to do. Just work on a good prompt and sculpt your text in order to get the best possible result. Also tweak it a little manually, as you want to provide the best service you can. If people rate you high and review you as a good and hardworking freelancer, you will get exponentially more orders. In order to beat the competition, you should start with a cheap price and adjust it as you climb your way to renown. 4. Automated content creation. With AI, you can create original and successful content more simply than ever and without having to spend as much time. YouTube videos are a great way to get started and to earn a fairly high passive income. Artificial intelligence can guide and assist you right through all the different steps of creating a wonderful piece of content: script, voiceover, video editing, thumbnail, and title. Let me guide you through each of them. Script. With the help of ChatGPT, you can actually create a high-quality and entertaining script you can use for your own video. I bet you'd be amazed by what you can obtain by using the right prompt. Voiceover. Next, you must bring your script to life by giving it a voice. But does it really have to be an actual human voice? Of course not. We're in the 21st century. With services like Murph.ai or Descript, you may be surprised by how real their text-to-speech feels. With the first, you can even access AI voices in more than 20 languages and several accents. Video editing. Once you have your audio, you may add images and videos to turn it into an actual video. You can use Midjourney AI-generated images without the risk of getting copyright claimed or demonetized, as these pictures are entirely original and created at the moment of your requirement. As for videos, we don't really have such an AI service that will generate original and high-quality content of your liking, although I wouldn't be surprised if in a matter of months we'll actually get such a software. As for today, you can access totally free stock footage on websites like Pexels.com or even directly on the previously mentioned Descript. You can use these pictures and videos for your content with absolutely no need to provide royalty or association to the supplier. Adjust the graphics of the video by using Runway, which provides incredible AI tools for creators. Thumbnail and title. You're done with your piece. The last part, but also the most important one, is to create a proper thumbnail that summarizes what the video is about and a good title to catch people's attention and get them to choose your video, instead of that of many other strong competitors. Use ChatGPT for effective and optimized titles and combine Midjourney AI or DALL-E 2 with a service like Canva or Photoshop to tweak the result and get the best thumbnail you can. The last step left is to publish your video, and hope that it's of most people's liking. If you offer something original and genuinely interesting, you may never fail. If you don't succeed, don't give up and try again till you make it. 5. Captions for creators. By listing a gig on Fiverr or directly contacting a content creator, you can easily provide this service. Descript, which I mentioned earlier, also has an automated transcription feature which enables you to swiftly obtain captions for a determined video or audio. If you know more languages, you may even offer a translation of those captions. 6. Websites. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Does that sound like gibberish to you? I bet it does. In 2023, though, you don't need to necessarily learn how to manually create or design a website. ChatGPT is also equipped with coding ability, so whatever website you need, you can ask the AI for guidance. If you input the right prompt, you can get fast and decent websites, which, still by using the same service, can be adjusted to your own liking and cast into a foolproof professional web page. 7. Company rebranding. This is a more advanced and original way to make money using AI. See, lots of companies don't really know how to properly market and sell their name or products. This always leads to a customer shortage. Imagine seeing this logo on the facade of a shop. I bet you will walk right past it without even considering entering. What if it would look like this instead? It would radically improve the chances of getting more customers. Well, your job is this: redesign the company and provide them with a better logo and, generally, a better presentation for themselves. You can get Midjourney to create professional and beautiful logos, which may better attract people into becoming their clients. Also use a service like Canva to better the result even further. Be on the lookout for terrible-looking restaurant menus. You can improve their look by mixing your design ability and a fair amount of artificial intelligence. Take a look at this transformation and let me know what you think in the comments down below. The video is over. Use chapters in order to rewatch any part you want and use this knowledge for your next step towards well. I'm sure this information will prove useful. If you enjoyed the video, consider dropping a like and subscribing. Check my other content. I'm pretty sure you will find it interesting. Have a good day and to next time.